Hi, welcome to my charity campaign. This is my index. First, presentation. Second, our pet friends. Third, what do they need? Four, how to help. Five, benefits and conclusion. And six, contact. Okay, who I am. My name is Jennifer Elisen Lesmes Casas. I'm 21 years old. I got a technology degree in business management. Actually, I'm studying at Compensar University. My profession is administrative assistant and place where I work, Fundación Los Piscinos. My population are stray dogs. Currently there is an overpopulation of dogs. Many people leave this animal abandoned and this causes females that are not sterilized to be victims of stray males. Because there is no one who can avoid it, and this causes the female to become pregnant, and these puppies are left on the street without any type for attention or care, which causes the problem of overpopulation for which no one is responsible. What do they need? Okay, they need food, shelter, medical attention, and adoption. How to help? For food you can donate food, donate medical food, donate dog dishes. For shelter you can donate blankets, donate clothes for dogs, donate dog beds, provide home of passage, donate dog toys. For medical attention you can sponsor veterinary expense, recommend vets at low cost, donate medicine, sterilization, deworming, and donor time. For adoption you can request to adopt a dog, give stability to the dog, fulfill canine needs, sterilization pill, give a lot of love to our dogs, and give an economic contribution for the needs of the dogs all alternatives. Benefits. With food you will help animal malnutrition. You will help to mitigate canine disease. There will be less animal overpopulation with sterilization in male and female dogs. With adoption, you can give better quality of life to the dogs. Conclusions. Sensitize caregivers. Understand that animals are not toys. Provide the best quality of life for the dogs. And always remember, adopt, don't buy. And finally, contact, phone, bank account, direction, and email. Thanks.